No matter what you need a landing page for, you don't want to spend hours in design work. I made this coming soon page in under 5 minutes using SeedProd's templates and drag and drop builder. Today, I'm going to go one better than that, and I'm going to show you how to make a landing page in just 3 minutes that you can adjust and amend to suit your business or your website perfectly. Because if you're not already looking at maximizing your landing pages and doing it fast, you're losing out on customers and you're definitely losing out on leads. Okay, so I'm on my WordPress backend and I've gone across to SeedProd, and you can see I've immediately got a load of options here. The coming soon page that I've already showed you. We have a maintenance mode, login page, 404 page. These are specific pages that you can use, but what I want to do is just generate a new landing page. So I'm just going to click right here. So this is going to give me all of the templates, and this has all of the coming soon and 404 page templates that we looked at a second ago. So I can go through here and just select one that suits my brand, that I like the look of, and I can build on top of this to make it anything that I like. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this one right here. I'm going to create a sales landing page. So just pop the name in here. I'm just going to call it sales for now, and I can adjust the URL if I want, but this is completely fine. And let's start building. So immediately you can see that this just looks fantastic straight out of the box. And all you really need to do is start to change and amend these particular details. You can leave the images if they suit your brand. So the closer the template is to what you're doing, the better. But if you just want to start changing text, just click on the text and we can put it up here. So let's call it organic juice, especially for you. So I'm changing the direction, I'm changing the messaging to suit my brand. If I want to change this particular image here, just click, adjust the image, and then I can come to my media library, or I can upload files. I have this picture in my media library, so let's give that a go. And it still absolutely works. You've got this very blue background, green, natural look. Maybe not as good as what was already there, but you can obviously upload your own brand images to suit. This here, this is giving me the opportunity to drag a new block. Now you can do this anywhere, but you've got all of these blocks to choose from. So for example, if we were linked up to RafflePress, we could drag the RafflePress block in there and do giveaways straight from this sales page, which would be an absolutely amazing opportunity for people. My social profiles could be really important, so I could drag them into that space just here. So now people are able to connect with me. You can just add all of your links. Of course, again, change the information here to suit you. But say there is something down here where we want to make a direct sale. We can just add a payment button. So let's drop that down into there. Pay now. Say that this is for courses. So we can just come here, call that book a course. Click on the link here. Pay for your course. And immediately we've started to build this into something that suits my needs with very little effort. And this is all going to help you be able to make more sales. You can click through here, you can link this out to a new menu. It's all about making your business as profitable as possible, but you can do it for basically anything. Once you're done, you can just save and attach this to wherever you should want and wherever you want to show it. Now, having a great landing page is part of the battle, but behind that you need a fantastic website to match, and one that matches your business, your branding, your website, and really sends the right message once people have seen your landing page. And the best way to do that is with a custom theme. However, for a lot of people that's out of reach because quite simply you don't have the tools or the expertise to be able to do it. However, Not anymore. There is a way that you can actually build a fully custom theme for your website in less than a minute. And the way that you're going to do that is with SeedProd's AI Theme Builder. So if you want to come with me and find out how to use that, you want to click this video right here.